CBSE sample paper 2021 for class 10th. For class 9th, grammar, it will be of similar pattern. Therefore, even class 9 students, they can practice from here. So let's get started now. Before you start, you can watch these 3 videos and revise your basics. Reported speech, use of some and any, and articles a and the. And after that, you can come and solve these exercises. Answers of these exercises I'll be providing in the end. Now, this is your first question. These questions, they are based on the pattern, as I've already told you, the CBSE pattern given in the sample paper 2021. Now, the marks of these questions, they can vary because in the CBSE question paper, the grammar, it is only of 10 marks. So 3 plus 3 plus 6. So this is the pattern. 3, fill in the blanks, they will be of 3 marks. Then again 3 marks will be reported speech, and after that 6 marks will be integrated grammar based on tenses, determiners, articles, and other such things. So in this exercise, marks may vary, but the pattern is going to be the same. For example, this passage where you have to fill in the correct options. So this is of 4 marks. So in CBSE, such passage you will get of 3 marks. So these are the choices. This is for A blank. Next one, this is for B blank. Then for C blank, you can pause on every slide so that you can read it and pick your answer, and then you can match with the answers in the end. This is for D1. After that, question number 2, this is based on narration, reported speech. So this is the passage and here are the blanks. So I have not given multiple choice in this case because you should know how to answer it correctly. Rules you can revise from the reported speech video that I have already done. Now this is fill in the blanks by choosing the correct options. So options, they are given side by side. So these are based on subject-verb concord, some and any, use of some and any, and articles. Ten questions based on this. So you can pick your answers, and now I'll be showing you the answers and you can match them with your answers. I've tried to explain where I feel that explanation is required. Along with the answers, I've given the explanation, but in case you still have any query, you can write it in the comment box and I'll answer it. So this is the first question, fill in the blanks, choosing the correct option. So here you have to take care of the tense, which tense is used. So if you read the passage, it is in present tense. So too many parents these days, it's talking about what is happening these days. So accordingly, you have to pick your answer. So this is narration. I have given the question again on one side so that you need not go back and read the question again. So these are the rules that I have used in this sentence. So this is for B blank. So the question is here on top, and these are the rules that I have used. So again, this is for C blank. Now here I would like to explain. In C blank, it says, yes, he has stolen one of our blankets. Now, yes, it is changed into, what is yes changed into? She replied in affirmation, or she replied positively, or she agreed. So you can write she replied in affirmation, or she replied positively, or she agreed. But yes or no is never written as such in the indirect form. So when you are changing into indirect form, you are not to write yes or no as such. Either you have to change it into these phrases that I've given, or most of the time, yes or no, if it is followed by a sentence, then it can be omitted because the sentence will make it clear, as it is the case in this sentence. Now, in this sentence, Renu says, yes, he has stolen one of our blankets. So after yes, there is a sentence. So this sentence will make it clear that Renu agreed or said or is answering back positively. So this sentence will make it clear. So we need not write yes or change it into any of this expression. So the answer can be written without yes or without she replied positively or she agreed. Now sometimes when blanks are given, so this yes portion is already covered. So you have to take care while choosing your answer. So this is for D blank. The answers. This is the answer for the E blank. The rules are also given. Now, this is question number 3. So fill in the blanks choosing the correct option. Now here again, I have all explained wherever I felt that I need to explain this rule. Like in first case, the answer is yes. So you have to recognize the true subject there. The phrases like this, as well as the students or accompanied by, in addition to, so these are written, these are prepositional phrases and these are written in addition to the true subject. So we are not to consider these phrases that are within the bracket, sorry, not within the bracket, within the commas. So we are not to consider those. So the true subject we have to recognize. And these are rest of the answers. In case any rule or any answer you feel is contradictory, you don't agree to that answer, you can write it in the comment box and I will answer it back. So that's all for today. This is the first worksheet and I will be uploading other such worksheets so that before exams you are thorough with your grammar portion. So do subscribe for that and study well so that you can score good marks. All the best.